guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. You know I like wavy hair. My hair is long, my hair is colored, and I like to wear some waves, but my natural hair is like deadly straight. That's why I've been trying different techniques and different tools to add the dimension, volume, and waves to my hair. So in this video, I'll be doing another beach wave using only flat iron. So this technique is a little bit different from the ones that I tried in my previous videos, and I'll be showing you what kind of products that I use and how I do it step by step. So this is the tool that I'll be using. It's BeKind Apex Professional Hair Straightener. So first of all, as you can see, this is like a very sleek straightener. I like the design. It's like very compact and fashionable. And I can easily turn it and unlock and lock it. So this brand is using a special technology to protect your hair using this floating plate. So these two plates are basically floating. You can see the movement here. And it's basically to avoid tugging of your hair when you clamp and move on your hair. And you can set different temperatures for different hair texture and different kind of look. And it's anywhere from 320 to 460 Fahrenheit. For me, I usually would use like 400, 420-ish for my hair. What's more amazing, this product has temperature memory, which means you need to set the temperature one time, and next time when you turn it on, and this temperature is already memorized and you don't have to set again. So it avoids like a lot of hustle, it avoids overheating if you forgot which temperature you need. So I personally like this temperature memory like a lot. It's like very convenient. And this product is called 30-in-1 straightener, which means it has all the essential hairstyling tools that you need for your look. And they're all included in this velvety bag, like the heat protection glove, comb, pin, a lot of hair ties and clips. So basically everything I need for styling is included in the straightener package. For the preparation, I used this spray from Phyto Paris. It's a volumizing spray to add extra volume to my roots, and I really like this product. It's very lightweight and it protects my hair from heating. And also this bottle, the Hairstyles all over thickening spray gel, and this is to help my hair hold the curls better. Now I turn this flat iron on and set the temperature to 430. It's heating, and at the same time I am going to section my hair. Okay, so I just tied my hair and leave like one section to start with. So for better demonstration, I will work from the front to the back. So I will start with like a very small section, and I will use the clip to hold the rest of the hair like this. Okay, so the flat iron is already at 430 degrees. I think this is the right temperature for my hair because my hair is not like holding curls like a lot, but it's still like very fine. So I am not gonna use the highest temperature, the 460. Usually 400 to 430 will be the perfect temperature for my hair. For the roots, you wanna go like this, curl it towards your face. And for the next turn, you want to curl it outwards, away from your face. And for the end, you can also do this. Just do the reverse direction. So this is the first piece. When you split this piece, and you can see the movement, and it's very natural. I like how it turns out. Okay, so the first piece is done. I'm gonna pull it to the other side so that it's not in my way. And I'll be working on the second piece. And I always use like smaller sections. It's more manageable, and for the best result, usually it takes more time. And clamp and turn towards my face, and the next turn outwards, and the next turn inward. And for the tips, I'm gonna just curl it like this. All right. So this is the second section. As you can see, the wave is like very, very natural. Now I'm moving on to the back section. I think it's a little bit harder because I just sometimes I can't see it well. Do the smaller section and do the reverse turns one by one. Look at these waves, they look so beautiful. I like how natural they are and it feels amazing, and I don't think my hair is overheated, and I really like this BeKind straightener and it works with my hair. I think these floating plates really make a big difference. It makes like the whole process like very smooth, very easy. And it's really like those mermaid kind of like wavy hair. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So I'll be just quickly finishing the rest of my hair using the same technique. Okay, so the first half is done. I really like the volume, I really like the movement. It's all like done manually, so all the lengths, all the curls, it's all controlled by the terms. This look is like a little bit messier, that's why it's so natural. Okay guys, so this is my final look. I am so happy with the result. From the front to the back, I feel like my hair is never so voluminous. I really like this look. It's so like my dream kind of hairstyle, mermaid inspired beach wave. Oh my god, it's just so romantic. I like this hairstyle and I feel like it makes a huge difference switching from the regular curler to a straightener for this kind of wavy look. Okay, so I really like this look and you guys can try it at home using flat iron or straightener, and I think this BeKind Apex 30-in-1 straightener really helps me to achieve this look without any hassle. And once you get used to this kind of turn and you can do it really like efficiently, you can do your own adjustments and you can make the curl like even tighter or like looser, like however you want to do it. Just be creative, have more fun with your hair. I linked the BeKind Apex straightener in the description down below. If you like this look, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!